How to delete a YouTube video from your mobile. So hey guys, if you want to delete a YouTube video from your mobile, be it Android or iOS, then you need to follow these simple steps. So for this thing, you need to have the YouTube Studios application. So simply open up your YouTube Studio application, and then from here click onto the content tab at the below. Then inside the contents, you need to click either on the videos or the shorts depending upon the type of video that you're deleting. So for example, I want to delete a video, so I'm gonna click onto this view all button, and then from here simply choose that particular video that you want to delete. So for example, let's say I want to delete this video right here which hasn't been uploaded, but it's the same for a published video or an unpublished video. So then once you have found the video, simply click onto these three dots, and from here you need to click onto the delete option. So once you click onto the delete option, it will ask you for a confirmation. You need to click onto the delete button again, and here you can see that the video has been deleted. It is the same for every video in this case. So all you need to do is click onto the three dots and click on the delete option. So that's all for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.